Today, a lot of use cases around satellite imagery are around the distribution of a given input within the field. And typically, for this use case, the farmer keys in the system an average quantity of input per hectare, and the portal will return a map displaying how to distribute this amount in the field, taking into account the variability. On this example over a field of wheat in April, late in the season, you can see that NDVI has reached saturation because the canopy is closed. So using a standard segmentation tool like the one of S3, as you can see, we don't grasp the variability very well with NDVI, whereas with leaf area index, we are able still to capture this variability and to have a more relevant distribution map. So Verde can provide the layer map at the date of your choice and even at in a fashion of time series. So to replicate this example, you just need the field boundaries, the crop type, and the average quantity of inputs. And then your customer will get a prescription map to distribute their input proportionally to the local amount of biomass.